Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 9 on basic probability. In this lecture we are going to discuss one more problem on Bayes theorem. So we have discussed one problem on Bayes theorem in lecture number 8 where we have discussed the formula for Bayes theorem. So using that formula we are going to discuss this another question on Bayes theorem. This question was asked in GTU Winter 2019 examination. So first we try to understand what is this question about. So it is given that a microchip company has two machines that produce the chips. Machine 1 produces 65% of the chips, but 5% of its chips are defective. Similarly, machine 2 produces 35% of the chips and 15% of its chips are defective. Now a chip is selected at random and found to be defective. So we have to find the probability that that chip which was defective came from machine 1. So first we have to write down all these things in the appropriate way so that we can apply this Bayes theorem. So first we have to decide what are the mutually exclusive and exhaustive events for Bayes theorem. So here we are given that a microchip company has two machines and machine 1 produces 65% of the chips and machine 2 produces 15% of the chips. So we can assume two events as one event is that chips are produced by machine 1, another event as chips are produced by machine 2, and we can assume one event as chips are defective. So first I have written that suppose that B1 is the event that chips are produced by machine 1 and B2 denote the event that chips are produced by machine 2, and it is given that 65% of the chips are produced by machine 1. So probability of B1 is 0.65, and it is given that 15% of the chips are produced by machine 2, that is probability of event B2 is given as 0.35. Now if we consider event A as that chips are defective, then here if you read this line, it is given that machine produces 65% of the chips, but 5% of its chips are defective. That is, if we consider that if it is given that chips are produced by machine 1, that is event B1 occurs, and if we are interested in the defective chips, so if we consider this event A given B1, then this event denotes the event that chips are defective provided or given that they are produced by machine 1. So here it is given that 5% of its chips, that is 5% of the chips produced by machine 1 are defective. So we are given this probability that defective chips are produced by machine 1 is 5%, that is 0.05. So here A given B1 denotes the event that defective chips are produced by machine 1, or chips are defective given that they are produced by machine 1. So probability of A given B1 is 0.05. Similarly, it is given that 15% of chips produced by machine 2 are defective. So that event will be this event A given B2. A given B2 denotes the event that chips are defective given that they are produced by machine 2. So that probability is 15%, that is probability of defective chips by machine 2 is 0.15. So this all these four probabilities are given to us. Now after this they are selecting a chip randomly from any machine and they found that that chip is defective. So first this event occurs that it is given that one chip is selected and that chip is defective. So given that event A occurs first, event A is the event that chips are defective. So if this event occurs first, then we have to find the probability that that defective chip came from machine 1. That means we have to find out the probability of this event, probability of B1 given A. Okay, if you read this line, a chip is selected at random and found to be defective. So that means event A occurs. So event A is given and we have to find out the probability that that selected defective chip came from machine 1. So we have to find out probability of machine 1 or probability of chips produced by machine 1 given that chips are defective. So for this probability we can use Bayes formula or Bayes theorem. So the probability that selected chip came from machine 1 given that it is defective is equal to probability of the event B1 given A, and this is by the formula of Bayes theorem. We can write this as probability of B1 times probability of A given B1, and in the division or in the denominator we write this same probability here, and here we write down these same things for event B2. So probability of B2 times probability of A given B2. Now probability of B1 is 0.65, probability of A given B1 is 0.05, so that we substitute here 0.65, 0.05, and now this quantity is same here, so we substitute this same quantities here, and probability of B2 and probability of A given B2, that is 0.35 times 0.15, so that we have substituted here, and after doing all these calculations we obtain that defective chip came from machine 1. Okay, this is the probability that if a chip is selected at random and chip is defective, then the probability that that chip came from machine 1 is 0.3824. So in this way we can solve this type of problems using Bayes theorem. So this is all about this session. I hope you understand this session. Thank you.